In this video, we will show you how to make your course audio and videos accessible within Webcourses at UCF by using Media Comments. Media Comments is the internal Webcourses at UCF tool for uploading and recording multimedia files. To make media accessible, you must include a caption or transcript file with the media you are using. This can be accomplished by using an external captioning tool such as Otter AI, Clipchamp, YouTube, Adobe Premiere, or Amara. If you record your media using the Rich Content Editor, you may need to download your media file to be able to create a caption file. To download a media file from the Rich Content Editor, play the video or audio and right-click on it to select Copy Video Address. Paste the link in a new browser window. Click the three vertical dots on the bottom right of the play bar to open the download option. Click Download. Rename your file for easier identification. You now have a video file that can be uploaded to several tools that can generate editable text from speech. To add media to a Webcourses at UCF page, click the Edit button and the Rich Content Editor will open. From there, click on Insert and hover over Media. Then click Upload Record Media. Or click the media icon in the toolbar. From here, you can record audio and video or upload existing media files. Once your video is uploaded onto the page, upload the captions into Webcourses at UCF by clicking on the video and selecting the Video Options tab that appears. Or for older media, click on the CC button and then select Upload Subtitles. From the Video Options page, you can modify your media's title, change the display options, size, and add closed captions or subtitles. For captions, select the appropriate language, then click the Choose Caption File to upload your caption file from your computer. While Media Comments accepts both SRT and VTT files, we recommend the VTT file format as it works better with mobile devices. Click Done once completed and save your changes to the page. Please preview the captions to ensure they are working correctly by clicking the gear icon. Select Captions, then select the language. If you provide media feedback to your students while using SpeedGrader, you can also add caption files to make them accessible. After recording your comment, click on the media to open the play window. Hover over the closed caption box to bring up the Upload Caption option. From here, the process is similar to adding captions to media on a page. Refresh the browser page, then check to make sure your captions are working correctly. Thank you for watching this video on using Media Comments to make your course audio and videos accessible within Webcourses at UCF. If you need more assistance with captioning videos, you can visit the Faculty Multimedia Center on campus or online at cdl.ucf.edu/fmc.